This is Mama Mish, and today in the Magic Kitchen, a viral sushi bake. When my hubster and I started dating 20 years ago, he was living in Memphis and I lived in Nashville. Our first dates usually lasted a weekend and involved a lot of going out to dinner to all the different restaurants that I loved in the area. He came to trust my taste in food, so when I was craving sushi and said, "Hey, I'm in the mood for sushi tonight, do you want to go get some?" He told me that he had never had sushi, and I literally felt my heart drop into my stomach, thinking, it's over. This will not work out. He's not the best dancer. Lord knows he was born with 2 right feet and he's a lefty. And he doesn't eat sushi? Total deal breaker. But to my surprise, he said, "Well, it's called bait where I'm from, but every place you've taken me has been awesome, so let's go." I told him I would give him a beginner sushi, and he said, "Nope, if I'm going to try it, I'm going to try it. Give it to me raw." And I did. 20 years later, we are more raw than ever. And we've had our favorite sushi spots in Nashville, Memphis, Maryland. And we've had great sushi in our travels. We've even made some at home. So when this viral sushi bake came to my attention last year, although there's nothing raw, I started making it, and much to my surprise, even the kids loved it. You can make it with just faux crab or with salmon, unagi, shrimp, etc. This is honestly quite decadent and delicious. I think you should try it and let Mama Mish make your kitchen magic.
You want anything with it? You want any of these sauces too? So how is it? You don't like it?
I think I'm gonna need to eat all of it, so you guys don't have to.
Aww. Mommy, do good? Okay, everybody, let's eat!